The debate isn't new, but could this be the year Minnesota lawmakers make it legal for stores to sell liquor on Sundays? Our state, just one of 14 in the country that does not allow liquor stores to sell alcohol on Sundays, but a new bill at the Capitol could eliminate the ban that's been in place since the days of Prohibition. And here tonight to talk about the good and the bad of this proposal are Representative John Lesh, co-author of the bill, and Steve Grausom, the liquor director at Edina Liquor. Thanks to both of you for being here. We're going to start off with Representative Lesh. Why do you think now is the time to get rid of the law that bans Sunday liquor sales in liquor stores here in Minnesota?
Jeff, we've gone on for too long where Minnesotans have had to cross the border in order to make sure that they have beer for the game on Sunday or an opportunity to partake in the commerce of our state. About 4% of Wisconsin liquor sales overall go to Minnesotans who are going over there to shop on Sundays. Now, we're surrounded by states that have options for families that want to make sure that they can purchase on Sundays. There's about 16% of the 35 to 54-year-old age demographic that does their purchases on Sundays. Now, we want to make sure that they have the same opportunity. We can move into the 21st century.
Well, Steve, Colorado lifted their ban back in 2008, and their Beverage Association president says for some it's the best thing ever, but then he also admits that for others it's the worst thing ever. What's the bad part? Why do you think the ban should stay in place?
Well, for us, it's the fact that you're increasing access to alcohol from 6 days to 7 days. Also, it has nothing to do with being, having Sunday off. That's not an issue for us. The other big thing is it's taking sales, spreading them from 6 days to 7 days, increasing our operating expenses. And we did some analysis at our stores. It would probably increase our operating expenses about 15%. And we don't feel that we could increase our revenue to offset the increase of the operating expenses.
Well, we'll get back to a little bit of that in a moment, but Representative Lesh, the people who want to lift the ban, they say opening on Sundays will bring revenue to the state. I've heard estimates around $13 million, but what if those extra state funds mean hurting small businesses in the long run?
There's no question, Jeff. Anytime we change a law, there are some winners and some losers. We have to look at a net gain. We have a $6.2 billion budget deficit. Any way we can make sure that we shift that tax burden away from our taxpayers and make sure we get revenues the old-fashioned way, I think is a better thing for Minnesota overall.
Well, Steve, you were talking about operating costs. The law really doesn't say you have to open your liquor store on Sundays. Not every grocery store is open 24 hours. Gas stations have varied hours from time to time. If you're going to lose money on Sundays, why not just leave the store closed?
Well, we have to compete, and if other stores are staying open, then we're going to have to stay open to compete with the other stores. So it's a matter of, if the guy next door to us is open, our customers could go there. So in fact, we'd have to stay open to try and generate some of that revenue.
But Steve, isn't that happening now with people who go across the border on Sunday? They're taking some of your customers away.
They are, but some of the people that are going to Wisconsin are going there because they can't buy product that is available that's not available in Minnesota. A lot of beers that are being sold in Wisconsin aren't available in Minnesota, so they have to go to Wisconsin to get that beer.
Really?
Some of the people some of the revenue that's being generated are from Minnesota residents that work in Wisconsin that are driving back on their way back into Minnesota. So I think some of the numbers are skewed a little bit that way.
Well, Representative Lesh, we're going to give you the last word. Again, you're the co-author of this bill. What do you have to respond to that?
I think this is just good old-fashioned business, Jeff. I mean, some people are going to want to make sure they have the opportunity to sell to their customers on Sunday, and some aren't. For those that aren't, I think, they can stay closed. But what really does matter is the additional revenue to the state of Minnesota, which we're trying to make sure we gain in tough economic times.
Yeah, well, I think both of you would agree that the real key here is to drink in moderation no matter what day.
Absolutely, Jeff.
Representative John Lesh and Steve Grausom, thanks so much for your time tonight.
Thank you.
All right.